Welcome to our analysis of Proton Drive. This is a secure and encrypted cloud storage service offered by Proton Technologies, the same company that provides protonmail and protonvpn. Proton Drive allows you to securely store your files online and access them from any device. All data is encrypted end-to-end, ensuring that only you can access your files. Proton Drive comes with several key features. The most prominent is its end-to-end encryption, meaning your files are encrypted on your device before they are uploaded. It also offers sharing capabilities, so you can share files securely. Additionally, it integrates with other Proton services, such as ProtonMail and ProtonVPN. This provides a comprehensive, secure ecosystem for your online activities. As for pricing, Proton Drive is included in the ProtonMail Plus and Proton VPN Plus plans. These start at €5 per month. There are also professional and visionary plans available with more storage and features. The professional plan starts at €8 per month, while the visionary plan is priced at €30 per month. It's important to note that Proton Drive does not currently offer a standalone plan. Proton Drive is ideally suited for individuals and businesses that prioritize data security and privacy. It's perfect for storing sensitive documents, personal photos, and proprietary business information. If you're already using Proton Mail or Proton VPN, Proton Drive is a logical addition to your security suite. It's also a great choice for those who want to keep their data out of the reach of intrusive advertisers and potential data breaches. The main advantage of Proton Drive is its strong emphasis on security and privacy. With end-to-end encryption, you can be sure that your files are secure from prying eyes. The integration with other Proton services also offers a seamless, secure online experience. Additionally, being based in Switzerland, Proton Drive benefits from strong privacy laws. However, Proton Drive does have some limitations. There is currently no standalone plan, so you must subscribe to ProtonMail Plus or Proton VPN Plus to use it. It also lacks some features found in other cloud storage services, such as file versioning and native apps for mobile devices. The cost may also be a deterrent for some, especially compared to other services offering more storage for less money. In conclusion, Proton Drive offers a secure and private cloud storage solution that integrates well with other Proton services. While it may lack some features and be pricier than competitors, its strong commitment to privacy and security make it a compelling choice for those who prioritize these aspects. The key takeaways are that Proton Drive offers strong security with end-to-end encryption, integrates with other Proton services, and is ideal for privacy-conscious individuals and businesses. However, it lacks some features, does not have a standalone plan, and may be more expensive than other options. Thank you for watching our analysis of Proton Drive. If you found this information useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech analysis. We appreciate your support.